Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to update ACE by contacting support. To get started, let's open Happn app. Make sure your Happn app is installed on your device. This is your home page. Here, go to the profile picture. Now it will navigate you to the profile page. Here, click on the edit button. Now scroll down until you find your ACE. Now tap on the pencil icon. It will navigate you to this interface. Here, click on Contact Us. Now here, choose a reason. Tap on it. Let's choose Update My ACE, as we are here to change our ACE, and write a message. I want to change my ACE. Next, click on Send. Here you go. This is how you can update your ACE by contacting support. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.